Something in your brain might be making Alzheimer's worse, and scientists at the Keck School of Medicine at USC think they've found it. A gene called KCTD20 could be the hidden culprit behind toxic brain buildup, and blocking it might unlock a whole new way to fight neurodegenerative diseases. Here's how it works. Normally, the brain clears out toxic tau proteins using a built-in waste system, but when KCTD20 is too active, it interferes with lysosomes, the brain's natural cleanup crew. This causes tau to pile up, leading to nerve cell death and memory loss. Scientists discovered that blocking KCTD20 restores lysosome function, allowing the brain to remove tau more efficiently. This could be a safer alternative to existing treatments that try to reduce glutamate, a vital neurotransmitter, but come with serious side effects. Dr. Justin Ichida from USC explains, many treatments fail because limiting glutamate, a key neurotransmitter, causes side effects. But this approach removes the toxins without disrupting brain function. Instead of shutting down vital brain signals, this method boosts the brain's own defenses. This breakthrough could lead to a new class of treatments, giving hope to millions. Could this be the key to beating Alzheimer's? Let us know in the comments.